Hey everybody, what's going on? It's me, Yousef. So today we're going to be talking about code. You're probably like, what kind of code? Well, text animation. So essentially this is going to be where your text is moving. And you're probably wondering, how does your text move? How does your text move? Well, it moves when you code. You just gotta learn to code. Let's go on to the void. Let's start with the void. Autoxy, int column, int line, coordinate chord, coordinate x equals column, coordinate y equals line, set console cursor position. So this is just going to set where the position is, and that position is determined inside the void main, which is down below right here. And as you can see, it is int xy, or actually, my bad, int c is the top part, and then int xy, x equals 10, y equals 10. So this is just going to point out where it's at on the screen. So where it's going to start off right when you hit Control F5. And then system CLS, we all know that clears the screen. That's pretty simple, straightforward. And then now we get to C equals get Godoxy x comma y, and then push, and then that's just going to be the space. And that space, actually, the push part, honestly, it's just there to get rid of the if you've seen that flickering, the flickering cursor behind whenever you type something on Visual Studio, that's what it is. That's how you get rid of it. So, or no, I'm sorry guys. That's how you get rid of not placing extra letters. That's how you don't paste extra letters. So essentially, what that does, when you're originally typing without that part of the code, you're going to be getting a bunch of letters behind it, and it's going to follow around it like a snake. But when you put that there, it deletes all those. So it's kind of essentially, I guess you could say, acting as a destructor. So now you can go to if C equals 224. So this essentially means that you can move up, down, or whichever way this is actually pointing to. So this is, I'm pretty sure that's pointing up. 72 is pointing down, and 77 is pointing to the right, 80 is pointing to the left, and 75 is going to be pointing up as well, or to the right. And so yeah, I mean, that it's really simple code. Oh, and it's going to be displaying a star, if you were wondering what it's going to be displaying. So you can tell by the push at the very bottom, at the end of the code. And yeah, I mean, it's really simple, guys. You'll get it with practice. And you know, I was practicing this code too over this time. So definitely an interesting one. And yeah, hopefully you guys really enjoyed this video. Definitely work in computer science because it's fun. But if you can't handle it and you can't practice, trust me, I know at one point I couldn't practice, but I learned, and now I'm good. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know with some feedback if it was any good. And yeah, hopefully you guys have a good one. Peace out, everybody.